guys, so it is Friday, which is, I don't know, the 27th. Yeah, I have a migraine again, of course, but Mom wanted labels for her duck egg shipments, so I made her a label. I think it's cute. But I wanted to share that because they're cute. Took me forever to get my Cricut to work because I physically made the stickers for her. My Cricut kept cutting off, and it made no sense to me because I had just calibrated it, like, just before I'd started cutting, so I don't know why it was cutting off. I killed like 2 pieces of sticker paper thanks to that. But finally I got it to work, so they're cute. They turned out cute, and she can stick them on her shipments for duck eggs. So yeah. But my head hurts, so I'm going to chill and try not to die because I can't take any more aspirin since I've taken aspirin too much this week already. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow probably. Not so sure that camera angle works. It's a little low, but I don't have anything to set it up on right here. But it is 4 a.m. because I suck at this whole sleeping thing. It's a full moon, so I can't sleep. It seems to always happen on full moons. That I obviously have a hard time sleeping. Besides the fact that I have a migraine, which is why I have some cold medicine. Which is a very strange thing to say, but it's true, it works. I don't know why. Some of the cold medicine works. This particularly is Alka-Seltzer. Alka-Seltzer cold medicine seems to touch it. And it's usually what I use when I don't want to take like hella aspirin, so. But I'm in the studio, if you couldn't tell. You are sitting on my altar thing down low. There's like candles behind you. I guess I could put something back there to sit on, but it just seems like a waste of energy. So yeah, it being 4 a.m., it is also the 29th, which is a Sunday, so yeah. Didn't do anything technically yesterday, and I only say that because I haven't slept. It was yesterday. I didn't do anything really useful yesterday besides move a bunch of duck food. I moved like 4 40-pound bags and 1 50-pound bag of various poultry foods. So, yeah, that's all I did. And then my migraine got worse, so seems to be my usual downfall. Is the migraine gets worse as the day goes on, so I have issues. But then I also took a bath, so I felt a little bit better, but then of course, like, me trying to sleep didn't work, so now it's worse again. So yeah, I'm trying to stave it off. Ugh, I hate that shit. Tastes awful. But it works, so I'm taking it. But I am actively trying to sleep, hopefully. Even though I'm in here. Some of the time I can sleep on the couch better than I can in my bed, and I don't know why, but I was sitting in there in my bedroom watching something, I can't remember, and my little light on my headboard flickered, and I thought, that's weird. I think somebody's trying to contact me, which is nice, so hopefully eventually I'll figure it out. Because that's not a very telling sign, otherwise I don't know, but anyway, I think I'm gonna watch something on the TV in here and try to sleep, because I need some kind of sleep. Can't sleep worth a shit most nights, but when it's a full moon, it's much worse for some reason. The moon apparently affects me pretty hard, so anyway. I will, hopefully see you guys tomorrow doing something. Also I refilled my basil with homegrown basil, which is kind of nifty. I'm wondering why that's in here. I have a lot of shit in here, like lavender flowers, cloves, things like that. But yeah, anyway, I need to stop rambling. I also banished the rock tumbler, in case you didn't notice, to the basement because it was very, very loud. It wasn't like loud, but it was annoying. So I sent it to the basement, and now he's down there tumbling shit. So yeah, that's cool. But I set it to the thing on my phone to remember to go check it, because I'll never remember. It said for like 5 days, because the first cycle's like 5 days, so yeah. So anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully this medication works. I gotta redo my nails. Holy shit, they're ugly. I'm gonna do them black this time, I think. Anyway, rambling. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys. That's Loki. That's Midnight. I think that's Vinny. No, Joey. Vinny's over there. And Nug. No, that's not me. That's Mohawk. Would you silence? Silence! Some of us.
I had them tested. I had somebody else ask me about them, and they want to know what sex they are. If they're males, I have to give them away.
Those are ducks. They must be hungry.
Yeah. Here,
Vinny, fuck off. Where's Doug go? She's over there. I was wondering where that dog was. Dog boy. Maybe you should go back inside where it's dry, ding dong.
He's been out here today.
Obviously. Even the chickens are like, you got food? They're all up here. They're all here pecking at the geese's pillows. Who are you? And why are you yelling? Oh my god. That one got the Affleck gene. Who are you chasing? Oh, there he is. I think he was running her off. To intercept her. She was coming around the corner.
Oh, maybe that's Lucky.
Yeah, I think that is. That's what I mean.
I got a mark.
Pretty sure that's Lucky.
I got a mark.
Those juveniles are being loud as hell. They said, "Hello, people. We want food. Fucking feed us." All the others are just milling about. Yeah, crap. That's a boy! That black one right there. Hear him? He's trilling. That black one right there. The black one that's closest to me. Yeah, it's a boy. I hear him doing his boy sound. Nope, it's him. He's doing the boy sound. I don't know if he'll do it again. But that's a boy, that black one there. So we know what that one is. He's not doing it now, but he was doing the boy sound. Yeah. The babies are getting in the pool. Don't get stuck in there, babies. Those horrible geese will come get you. Who's yelling? That sounds like Cloud. The babies. The babies come out finally. Look at the babies. The little babies. They're muddy. Everything's muddy. It's all mud. Vinny? Vinny, what are you doing? Yeah, walk away, Vinny. Hazel? Yeah, I would leave if I were you. You're surrounded by angry poultry. Hello, Vinny. Hello, Vinny. You want to come over here and see this? Loki! Loki! Loki, run like an idiot. Oh, you don't want to get up there. Hello, Loki. Run, Loki, run. Abby, you have to be a bitch. Hi, Hazel. Are you wet? You're a little wet. You're a little wet. Oh my god. All the ducks are in the same place. It really looks like a lot when they're all together. It looks like 28. Holy shit. Look at the amount of ducks. You have way too many of these things. Good lord. That dog is biting his luck sitting there. Looking at geese around. Move, dude. You're causing a ruckus. There's Nugget over there. Nugget's the little one. Nugget. See my baby? Hazel. But I actually came out here to carve my pumpkin because my pumpkin. I was busy cleaning off the table because I'm going to do it on the table because obviously I can't do it anywhere else because it's awful wet. Wet and Absolutely gross. So, the table it is. Ooh, a knife. This is probably dull. Yeah, it's dull. I'll get it over a knife. Here's my love rock. That needs to go in something. So it doesn't get lost. Because I could put it in here. There you go. I can't believe Hazel's sitting on top of the slide. One wrong move and down she goes. Okay, this looks like a good spot. Cut it right. This end's kind of fucked. It sat on the porch for too long and got squishy. Ding. Still probably carve it, but it's not going to live very well. Probably. Guess I'll carve it and then it'll go to the geese real quick. Cause yeah, lovely. Too damn wet. Who you yelling at? Gotta go get shit. The chickens just want to eat you, assholes. I'll fend off all your chicken. Good luck, they're faster than you. Abby's like, I want to kick his ass, but I'm also afraid of it. Look at her. She was just like snaking, but then she didn't get any closer. She just like stood at a distance snaking. The chicken was just like, I don't even know you exist. Effective tools of destruction. Yep. I hear ducks. I think they're on the patio. I heard Cloud. Hear Cloud? She's just as loud as hell. Apparently it's the juveniles that are on the patio. I can't see past this dead bush. This is the, still half alive too. This is the passion fruit bush. And happens to be directly in front of my fucking window. So I can't see out it most of the time. But there are ducks. I could film them better if, you know, if this bush wasn't in my way. I wonder what they're doing on the patio. I don't think there's anything useful on there. Maybe there's some bugs, I don't know. Must be what they're doing. My pumpkin is sitting out there on the table because it's squishy on the underside. So I'm hoping it'll dry out somewhat up there. Because it was sitting on the porch is why I did that. Swear to God, that duck better not be eating a plant or something. I think there's a plant over there. I'll have to go investigate. The ducks have infiltrated the patio. Let's see what they're up to. Because now I'm curious. think they left. Man, they move fast. No, those are the babies. A bit of wood on the bottom there that keeps breaking whenever the door's opened. Is it raining? Because it's a good thing I put the pumpkin up there. Those are the babies. Well, maybe not. Cloud? Man, they move fast. Unless that's not Cloud. Cloud? Yeah, it must be because I don't see them over here anymore. Man, they move fast. Oh, here she comes. Do you see her hopping? She hops like a fucking... She hops like a fucking rabbit. Because she's weird. There she is. I think that's her. Cloud, what the heck? What you do, girl? They move way too fast, obviously. It's raining like crazy, so also I just put an LED candle in there. I might put it on the timer so it goes out, but he's cute. Very quick because it's dying, so I was just like, fucking stick it in there, it's fine. No nose. It's raining. It's raining so bad. Hold on. There we go, this one's better. Under the umbrella. But it's almost dark. Look at all the duckos. Look at the duckos. Hey, who's fighting? Who's that? Who that be? Who be that? I used this broom earlier to wipe out all the water. See how well that worked. That's all muddy thanks to that. At least all these umbrellas are nice. The pumpkin looks cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the babies. There goes the dog being ostracized. The ducks are going to the dog run. They want the water. They want the waters. What? Of course. She's drinking water out of that. That piece of squash. Amelia, I have a feeling you're a bit odd. Girl, it's not like you don't got water everywhere. It's like been raining for 70 days. And she's just like, I'll drink out of the squash. How lovely. Hey, honkers. Ooh, ho. Somebody got hoed. Why is there a hoe here? I don't know. But actually I stepped on it. All the ducks seem to be slowly funneling in that direction. Oh, this is a light. Look at that. Look at that. Look how fancy. It's a fancy lit umbrella. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. And it's got like solar thing on the top, so it charges itself. lasts quite a long time too. It's got like a switch on this side right here that turns it on and off. It's cute. It's cool. What's she got? Is that a weapon? It's a weapon, Abby.
They don't like this umbrella.
I've noticed.
Freaked out on the bottom.
No doubt. Abby seems to think that it's like you look like mom, but also you have a weapon. I'm not so sure. She does that to me when I'm on the mower too. Because she thinks I'm mom, except I got this big ass horrible machine. See all the mud. That's what I mean by everything. Mud is hell. Mud. Umbrella. I'm gonna change this to timer. Very cool. Also, dun 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 dun. This knife just stays out here. So it's a lovely black knife, used for many things. Hold on. My socks are getting wet. This puddle is too large. Look at all muddy, dude. Always. Put up my like sort of celestial tapestry thing over the other things because I just needed to do something with it, and it's low-key really pretty with the lights behind it. It also makes it like more atmospheric in here because it was a lot brighter when the lights were just by themselves, obviously, like over here, but not very good reading light, but it's it's pretty otherwise. Good morning, it is now Halloween, which is the 31st, obviously, or Samhain, if you knew that. We're at this nature preserve thing. She's over there reading this sign. Don't know what the hell it is, because we wanted to see what this was for a while, because it's like off the road we usually go home to. Got some monster, because I wanted to. Yeah, she's reading the signs. I don't know what the hell this is. It's got preserve rules, and it says Cardinal Land Conservancy, Todd's Fork Nature Preserve. Very interesting. It's a map mostly, I think, but I was just curious. Also, I don't know if my camera's got needs to be cleaned because it oftentimes does. My hands are very oily, apparently. But I'm wearing my Halloween shirt because that's what it is. It's how it. I keep seeing crows everywhere. So yeah, we're going home now, though. This is the supposed ruby. It looks like a rusty piece of wood. I don't know, but that's supposedly what it was. What it is. There were some more shards of ruby in here. You can probably see them in like the bottom part.